Hello everyone. So here in this video we are going to learn how to write a MATLAB program for simple arithmetic calculations or computations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and displaying the result using disp command and the num2str command. Okay, so here we are using uh, num2str along with the display command, and we'll see how we'll get the results. So here we begin by clearing the command window and workspace using the CLC and clear all, and we'll use the close all for closing the figures. Then we'll ask the user to enter the two numbers with the input function, that is we'll enter the first number and we'll enter the second number here. Then we'll perform the arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and here we will use the disp along with the num2str commands to show the results in a clear and simple format. So here in the previous video we have used only the disp command, whereas here we'll use the disp command along with the num2str command. Now here why we are using the num2str command, like directly we can use the display command, but along with that we are using the num2str command. What is the importance of using this? In MATLAB, this disp command, it can only it directly displays the text strings, or it can display only the numbers. But when we want to combine the text numbers, like suppose you have addition colon 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. Now I want to display this. Here what we have to do is we have to convert the numbers into string first, then we can display it. So here suppose for example we have a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 4. Now the result sum of these two, it is given as sum underscore result is equal to a plus b. Now I want to display this in this format. So if I want to display this here, if I use only the disp command, in disp command I can write it as addition colon a plus b is equal to sum underscore result. If I write this, I will not get this output. Instead, I will get a error. So, in order to get such output, we need to convert the number into a string, and then it can be joined with the text. So here we have to write it as disp round bracket, open square bracket. Now this addition, it must be written in the inverted commas, addition colon, then num2str a, that is the number a which we have entered here, we are converting into a string. So num2str of a plus num2str of b is equal to num2str of sum underscore result. So you need to write like this if you want the output as such. Fine, that is you have to convert this 10. Instead of writing just a here, you have to write it as num2str of a. Instead of b, you have to write it as num2str of b in the inverted commas. Then sum underscore result. This sum underscore result also must be converted to what? It has to be converted to a number. Okay, a string. So along with the display, we need num2str command if you want to display the output like this, that is the text along with the numbers. Now this is the program here. So here the CLC, then clear and close all, these three remain same. So here CLC will clear the command window, clear removes old variables, and close all will close any open figure windows, and this makes sure that we start with a clean workspace every time we run the program. So next is we have to take the input from the user, that is we'll ask the user to enter the two numbers using the input function. So for example we'll enter some number as 14, then second number as 4, and this MATLAB, it will store these values in the variables a and b. After that we'll perform the arithmetic operations, that is sum underscore result for sum a plus b, then for subtraction you will use a minus b, for multiplication a into b, and for division a divided by b, and each result will be stored in a separate variable. For sum we have used sum underscore result as the variable. For difference is this for product, and for division. Now we need to display the results. So here for displaying the result we are using the disp command. So for displaying results of arithmetic operation we'll use only the disp command. Then we want to combine our that is here we are using the num2 string. That is, we want to combine we want to convert the numbers into strings so that they can be combined with the text and make the output more clear and the in the readable form. Okay, so here disp addition, then num2 string of a, num2 string of b is equal to num2 string of sum underscore result. That is here a, b, then this result. Okay, a and b, this is for a, this is for b, and this is for the sum. Similarly for a difference, product, and division. So here you will get the output as like this. That is, we'll enter the first number as 10, second number as 14. Now this disp command will display, that is disp results of arithmetic operations. So here the next we are combining the text along with the numbers. So for that we have converted the number into string. So here addition colon, that is this one, addition colon, then you have 10 plus 4. This is nothing but the num2 string of a plus num2 string of b, that is equal to sum underscore num2 string of sum underscore result. Okay, similarly for subtraction, multiplication, and division. So when you use the num2 string command, you can display the output in this fashion. Now we'll see the execution of the program. So here this is the program. We'll copy this. You can type in your MATLAB software, that is in the editor window. So now here we'll run it, save it, and run it. You enter the first number. I'll enter the first number as 10. Then enter the second number. I'll enter it as 4. So here the results are displayed in this way, which we got in the previous like here in the slide we got it is like this. That is the result of arithmetic operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So here you can see in the command window you are getting the output in this fashion. Okay, so in this video we have learned how to take the input from the user, perform basic arithmetic operations, and display the result neatly in the MATLAB. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more MATLAB programming videos. Thank you for watching.